Now we can go ahead and practice on P19. P19, practice, and we're actually going to start at number 2. So here's where you should be. Find each product or quotient, round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. On number 2, this is the first time that I actually have it blank. If it's blank, you need to write down exactly what they have in the book. So in the book, we have negative 5.8 times 2.3. Negative 5.8 times 2.3. The instructions once again say find each product or quotient, round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. We are multiplying decimals as well as with negative signs. If this is the case, we count our negative signs. There's 1, so I know my answer is going to be negative, and I know I need to move my decimal twice. Go ahead and pause the video and try yourself first. Here is what you should have gotten. 58 times 23. When you multiply, we get 24. 15, 16, 17. Carry my 0. 16, 10, 11. 4, 13, 3, 1. But my answer needs to be negative, and I need to move the decimal to the left twice. So my final answer would be negative 13.34. Number 4 says negative 14.1, so negative 14.1, parentheses, negative 2.9. We need to multiply. Pause the video and try. 2 negative signs make a positive. 2 is even. Count how many numbers are after the decimal. There are 2. We would take 141 times 29. That would give me 9. That's 36. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Add a 0 for my placeholder. 2, 8, 2, 9, 8, 10, 4. Okay? I know my answer is going to be positive, and I need to move the decimal to the left twice. 40.89. 40.89. Now we are on number 13. The instructions change. On number 13 it says, find each product. Simplify before multiplying. Number 13, negative 2/3 negative 2/3 times negative 1 over 11. Pause the video and try. 2 negatives make a positive because it's an even number. Now I can go ahead and multiply straight across. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 11 is 33. 2 over 33 would be my final answer. Number 14. 2 1/2 times negative 1/4. Go ahead and pause the video and try. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I change my mixed number to an improper fraction. Multiply by negative 1 over 4. Count how many negative signs you see. There's 1, so my answer needs to be negative. Top times top, bottom times bottom, 5 over 8. So my final answer is negative 5 over 8. Number 28, the instructions change. On 28 it says, name the reciprocal of each number. Number 28, my reciprocal is 2 3/4. My reciprocal is 2 3/4. Pause the video and try. We can go ahead and check mark. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 4. My reciprocal would be 4 over 11. Number 34, find each quotient. 3 over 7 divided by negative 1 over 5. Pause the video and try. Keep, change, flip. 3/7 multiply by the reciprocal. Same thing. Negative 5 over 1. I have one negative sign, so my answer remains negative. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 1 is 7. Improper fraction needs to be changed to a mixed number, top in, bottom out. 7 goes into 15 once. 15 minus 7 is 8. I apologize. I even make mistakes. 7 goes into 15 twice, which is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1, so I get negative 2 and 1/7. Negative 2 and 1/7. Number 35. We have negative 9 over 10 divided by 3. If I have a whole number, I need to go ahead and put this over 1. Pause the video and try. If I divide by fractions, I multiply by the reciprocal. Negative 9 over 10 times 1 over 3. I have one negative sign, so that would be negative. 9 times 1 is 9. 10 times 3 is 30. I can reduce. Divide top and bottom by 3. That would give me 3 over 10. Number 37 is 2 1/4. 2 1/4 divided by 1/2. I need to go ahead and pause the video and try. Check mark first. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Divide by 1/2. I need to multiply by the reciprocal. 9 over 4 times 2 over 1. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4. I need to go ahead and change this to a mixed number. It's an improper fraction. 4 goes into 18 4 times, which is 16. 2 left over. 4 and 2/4. I can go ahead and reduce this. Divide by 2, divide by 2, 4 and 1/2. That is the answer.